Welcome to Excellence in Excel, and in this video you will learn how you can use the round down function. So the round down function is almost very clear as what it says. It's very simple. It will round down every value what it has, no matter what the value is. By default it just goes down. So how to do that? Well, let me show you some values first, and then after we're going to work with that. 0.99 as 1.3 of 2, 1.45. Alright, so we're going to round those down. So how to do that? We just type in here round and then down and open parentheses, and in here we have to put in our, let's click on the formula builder so we can quickly see. Alright, so you see here there are two inputs what we need. Number one is a number, so we're going to select this number, and number two is the amount of digits. So if you want one digit, it will round down. This one will be rounded down to 0, so it'll be 1.5. Let's do no digit at all, and let's see what happens. Click OK. You can see now the new value is 1. And what about this one? So let's drag this because the formula is still connected here. As you can see, all of these by default it goes down. It forces you, even if this would be more than 9999, basically it's considered here already as 2 as the default in Excel, but with the forced round down function it will override and it will go down. So what you can do as well is you can control this. If you say I want only 2 digits, then you see 99 as you can see here. And if you want only 1 digit, you can see as well, you have the 9, 1.9 will goes down. It gives you some suggestions here, or probably the reason why, because the formula is not everywhere consistent. Meaning here, if I will have this also on 1, and then we just drag all of these, then you can see here, now we don't have the warning sign because it says why this one is different compared to the others. However, now you understand exactly how you use the round down function, and this can be very useful for certain situations. So if you like tips and tricks regarding to Excel and you want to get even better, check out the link in the description section. In there we have a wonderful Excel course where you get better with Excel, and it is all for free.